Are you looking for ways to reach financial stability and peace of mind? Wish you could spend more time relaxing and enjoying life instead of stressing about paying bills and other expenses on time? Getting your finances on the right track can be tricky, but there are ways to make it much easier. For instance, you should always know exactly how much money you make each month. Then, compare that to the amount you spend and see where you can cut back to build a savings account. Next, track the due dates for all your bills so you can budget the amount you need and never miss a deadline. You also need to factor in emergency expenses. Since we all experience emergencies, make sure you have reserved funds or know about the assistance available when you experience an emergency. If you have a job and suddenly encounter an unexpected expense, applying for a payday loan can help. Using a payday loan is like receiving a cash advance on your next paycheck. This can help in situations where you need to get paid immediately to cover emergency expenses, such as urgent home or vehicle repairs, utility bills, taxes, credit card bills, and other important payments that can't wait. Unlike applying for a traditional bank loan, when you apply for a payday loan, having a poor credit score is not an issue. All you need is a valid driver's license or government-issued ID, a blank check from an active checking account in your name, and a copy of your most recent pay stub. Once you have these items available, simply log on to our website and fill out the free online form, or give us a call to get started. Then you will be on your way and back on track to financial stability and peace of mind.